Okay, question 14 is also related to questions 13, 12, 11, and 10, but it's a little bit different, quite different actually. It says, for the same projectile, what initial angle would give the projectile its most maximum range? Okay, so if you throw a projectile from a building at different angles, so if you just throw it horizontal, it probably goes like this, right? If you throw it up, it goes like this. If you throw it up, it goes like this. Let's say the speed is the same. We're not changing the speed. If the angle is too big, it goes up like that and it hits the ground. If the angle is too big, it goes like that. So this is the range. This is the range. What angle gives the maximum range? Quickly, students want to answer this. So a lot of times they say 45, okay, without giving it much thought. Very common mistake. Okay, it's got to be 45. Well, what they are thinking is this. They're thinking that somebody's throwing the ball here and it's coming back to the level ground, to the same height that you threw it from. In that case, they would be right. Angle 45 degrees maximizes the range, maximizes how far an object goes, right? So this is 45 here. If you throw it greater than that, it comes back down. If you throw it less than that, it comes back down earlier. If you throw it too great, it's even less. You throw it too less, it's even less, right? So this is the 45-degree range, okay? But if you throw it from a certain building and it's going to go down, what's going to happen? Well, look at the visualization here. If you throw it at 45 degrees, it's going to give you the maximum range by the time you come to the same height, right? When you come down to the same height, it's the maximum range. After that, it keeps getting steeper. Keeps getting steeper, 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 steeper. Okay, hits the ground right there. This is the range. Okay? If you throw it more than 45, let's say 55, 60, what's going to happen? It's going to go up like that. It's going to go like this. Of course, 45 will beat it, right, over here. And then it'll go down even steeper, 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 steeper. So 45 beats anything greater than it. 50, 55, 60, 65. How about go below 45? 40, 35, and so on. Okay? So what's going to happen? Let's say this is 40. It goes like that, it goes like that, it goes like that, it goes like that. Okay? The 40 degrees brings you here. Not as far as 45, right? So I agree. 45 beats the 40 when you get to the same height. But what if we continue this? 40 gets steeper, 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 steeper. It's very likely that the 40 will not get as steep as the 45, as quickly as the 45, right? So it might actually crisscross right over here, right? And it might go, 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 and it might actually give you a longer range. As a matter of fact, it will give you a longer range. So depending on the height, depending on how fast you threw something, the angle that maximizes the range is something below 45. It could be 44, it could be 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, so on, 30, 29, you know. So it all depends on the numbers, the height of the building, the initial velocity that you threw it at. So the answer is less than 45. What angle maximizes range? An angle less than 45. What if you had thrown it this way? Okay? Go like this, go like that, go like this, go like that. What angle maximizes the range? So if you're fighting a war or something, you're trying to shoot cannons or bombs up the hill, what angle do you need to maximize the range? This time you can logically deduce, make similar pictures to that, right? You should conclude that an angle greater than 45 is going to maximize the range. Okay? Angle greater than 45, maybe 50, maybe 55, and 60. So if the question said that, the choices should be an angle more than 45. Okay? But if it's going down to the ground, it's an angle less than 45. Okay, thank you.